Hi, this is Monar Hussain from wixwebexpert, and today's video we are going to talk about the site pages. So let me go to Wix. Let's go back to the desktop and let's take a free template. Okay, let's take a free template. Let me go to Wix templates and let me choose one of the template from there. Okay, let me take a blank template from there. Blank. Edit. Let's wait. The editor is loading now, so we need to keep wait some time to load the editor. We take the blank new template. If you want, you can go to the categories. You can take the business a pre-made template from there, health and wellness, and you may take the e-commerce as well. I like the e-commerce templates, they're awesome. This one I most like for the e-commerce. Okay, so maybe it's coming. Yes. Okay, let me put a website name there. Wix expert. Let's say Wix expert. Okay, so how to add the pages on your website. So at the very top you can see here home. We need to click manage page, and then here you can see already have the home page. So if you want to include more pages on your Wix website, then you just need to click add menu item, and then you can see here the drop down title. So if you want to include a drop down from here, then you can do, or if you want to include a single page, then you can do it from here at menu item. So you just need to click here, then you can see here new pages. It's mean you can create a different page from here, and then you can see link, like as you have a external link on your website, you want to link it with someone else website, then you can do it from there. You can include the section from here, and you can include the anchor as well. As I will talk about them later. So now let's click a new page. Once I will click new page, you can see here some pre-made sections or template. So at first, if you will click blank page, then you will get a white page there, and then you can see about. If I will click about, then you can see here have a about page layout, and here is have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, maybe 13 pages layout have there. So you can take any of them, or you can take a blank template as well. If I will go to under the services, then you can see some of the pre-made services pages here. Then have the project, contact, general, landing page, and store page as well. As we have not include the e-commerce store yet, that's why we can't see them here. When we will add the e-commerce store apps with our Wix website, then we can see the pre-made templates here. But those are the pre-made templates. Like as if we want to include the about page, then I'm just clicking here add page, and then you can see here this page has been added, I can rename this page. So once I will rename the page, like if I will put about us, then simply you just need to go here, the 3 dot button, and then you need to go to SEO basic, and then you just need to update it. If some of the time it is not updated, when like if you want to duplicate this page, then this will be not changed. So you need to change the slug from the SEO basic part. Okay, that's great. So now here you can see you got the sections, you got the stripe. We will talk about that later, no problem with that. And how to include the menu at the very top. So you just need to go simply here, the plus icon, and then you can see from the left side menu. Where is that? Menu and anchor. So when you will click menu or anchor, you can see here some the pre-made. Wix means the pre-made things. So you can take any of the design from here, and I mostly like the first one. Just drag and drop it at the header part, and this is the header part. Let me make it something bigger, and from here let me enable the toolbar and just click the menu. As we have now only the home page and about page, that's why we can see home page and about page there. So let me align it at the very middle, and you can see it's done. Like that way we can add the menu on our website. It's very simple. And if I will go here, the home is capital letters and it is smaller letters, so I can just click the 3 dot button and then just click rename. Then I can make it similar. The first letter is capital and this is the smaller letter. So if you want to include any other pages, you need to go to the same way, like is the contact page. Let me add the contact page as well. Okay, so here, yes, we have a lot more option here. We can take any of the layout that you like. So let me take the second one. Just click at pages, and it will take some time and it will be included here. Let's see. Okay, contact. Oh, as we take the new template, we have not put any name yet here, so let me put Wix Expert. Continue. And here, if you want to rearrange the menu item from the top, then you can just drag and drop it, and then it will be moved. You can see the home icon. It's mean this is the main page. When our website will be loaded, then the visitors can see this page at the very first. So if you want to make the about us page as a home page, then you just need to click the 3 dot button and then you need to click set as home page. So look like that way you can make any of the page as home page. So if I will click about us as our home page, and if I click the publish here, and then let me visit the site, then you can see the about us page is our main page now. When our domain will be loaded here, then the about page will be the home page. That's it. So look like that way you can include the pages on your website, you can include the menu, and you can make any of the page home page. Thank you so much.